Hey guys, so today I'm sharing with you a little glimpse into my messy fridge. It's really gross and really messy and really dirty. Well, not really dirty, not a lot of drips and stains, but it definitely needed to be cleared out. Old food needed to be thrown away, and I needed a better storage organization solution for our small fridge. So I'm going to start off by clearing out the fridge and taking everything out of it and throwing away all the old expired stuff. So now I'm going to go ahead and just give it a quick wipe down. It only had a few crumbs, so it wasn't too bad. So I picked up a few containers at my local Dollar Tree, and I got these, they're supposed to be soda can containers, and I'm going to use them for water. And then I also got those white bowls and then some acrylic clear ones. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wrapping off and give them a good little wash, because I am going to put eggs in there, and I don't want it to be like dusty and gross when my food is in there. And now for the fun part, to start organizing. So I'm going to put these applesauce containers into one of the acrylic ones, along with some string cheese in another one, just so it's easy for my kids to grab their snacks. And then yogurt, and then another one for some juices that I got at Trader Joe's. If you guys haven't tried them, they're so yummy. And in the soda can dispenser ones, I'm actually going to put my water bottles in them. And in one of the white bins, I'm going to be putting all my eggs. And then in another one, I'm going to put my used produce, like my half an onion or whatever I have, so it won't go bad in the back of the fridge. And in the other one, I'm putting my cheese, and then I'm putting my butter in this glass dish. So now time to put everything into the fridge. My daughter wanted to help, so that's her doing it for me. And so then we put the milk in there, the waters, the juices, and the snacks for them to grab. And then in the bottom, we are putting all the veggies, and then dairy in the other one, and like cold lunch meats. And then we are also putting our fruits, and then yogurts, and then our used produce, and the eggs. And then in the drawer, I only have a few things because I like to keep my condiments on the rotating turntable thing. And that is the before, you guys, and here is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It feels so much better to have a clean, organized fridge. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.